My name is Jeff Bogert. What I'm showing you is a game of tic-tac-toe where the GUI was provided by a course that I'm attending at Harvard University, CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and it uses a program that I was asked to implement as the AI participant. So you as a human play against the AI. The AI uses minimax as its algorithm to calculate what move it makes, but I've modified it so that on the very first play, it actually just selects a random position on the board. And we're going to show you this for both players. So if I pick that I'm going to play with 0, now the computer then chooses to play as, well, he has to play as X. And now I continue playing as, and he's playing X's and I play zeros. Okay, we're going to play this again, and I'm going to play this time as X. Means I go first. Computer's thinking, go second. And again, we have a tie. Now I'm going to let the computer play as X, which means I play second. Now, as I said, this is a modification of what I was asked to do. I've submitted both the program that behaves the way they asked me to, and in that one, if I go to play as X, or excuse me, if I play as 0 and the computer has to play as X, he has to think about which of those 9 elements to go in, and it takes him about 30 seconds, whereas in this particular case, it's almost instantaneous, and it's just a random shot that he takes. End of this recording.